Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a simple guide on how to unfriend someone on Roblox. If you've decided it's time to remove a friend from your virtual world, don't worry. We've got you covered with straightforward steps to make the process quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to access the menu. From here, select Friends to view your friend list. Scroll through and find the friend you want to unfriend. When you spot them, tap on their profile to open it up. Now focus on the bottom left corner of their profile where you'll see those 3 dots again. Give them a tap and a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Unfriend and select it. Finally, a prompt will ask you to confirm your action. Go ahead and confirm, and there you have it. Your friend has been removed from your list. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.